Are you interested to have a clear and attractive face? In this video I'll show you 7 steps to get there. Coming up. Number 1. Wash your face twice a day. Once in the morning and one before going to bed. Using lukewarm water, gently applying the face wash and easily scrubbing. When you're drying your face, make sure you're not using the same towel for the other parts of your body. Number 2. Moisturize. After you're washing your face, make sure you're moisturizing your face properly and it's not dry and flaky all day long. Look for a moisturizer with sunscreen protection. Number 3. Facial hair. If you're having facial hair, you have to wash it the same as your hair with shampoo and conditioner. I've made a complete video on how to grow a beard. It's right up here. Number 4. It's to smash the like button. Just kidding, serious, but this is gonna help the YouTube algorithm. Number 4. What kind of allergies do you have? For example, I'm allergic to lactose, and every time I'm eating lactose, my face and my back is exploding with acne. My gym colleague, she's allergic to sugar, and every time she's eating sugar, she has acne on her face. Study yourself, and by knowing yourself is the best way to improve yourself. Number 5. Skincare products. You've got to use high quality skincare products if you don't want to have your face irritated or damaged. I'll leave some of the products that I use in the description below. Number 6. Style your hair. Find a hairstyle that matches your face shape. Style the way you want, and as a bonus tip, find a hairstyle which has volume. The volume is insane. Use the sea salt spray products to have as much volume as you want. Number 7. Glasses. You don't have to wear glasses only for reading. I personally use glasses to protect my eyes from the blue light, which is damaging my eyes. Glasses are going to make you look more intelligent and elegant. Number 8. Exercise. I don't stress enough to tell you how many benefits you'll have from exercising. You've got to wash your face after every workout that you have to eliminate all the sweat and dirt. Number 9. Hydrate. Your body is around 60% water, and guess what's going to happen if you don't hydrate properly? You are not going to have a clear face. Number 10. Whitening teeth. What's the second thing your people notice after your face? Your teeth. I've got to work a lot on this thing, for right now I have some problems with them. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.